Okay, just been dying to make a video here, so I'm gonna just put this old Singer back together. This is something that I've actually had sitting around for a while, and I have no doubt that it works great. I think I sold on it at one point, and a customer was interested in it, so I'm just going over it and I'm gonna sell it to them for probably about $60. All that I've done is I put a new bobbin ring on here, so that grips a little bit better, rubber, and I put a new belt on, and I got the belt tension where it should be, so it can work freely, effortlessly, still grab enough to move the machine. Let's see here. This guy is a little bit frozen up, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to move him, and I don't really want to grip and make some marks, so I'm going to put this rag around it and just see if I can get him to move. And I can. And if we just get a little bit of oil there, we'll probably make everything better, as it typically does. This right here is the pressure of the presser foot. It's got a little spot to store some oil, which is nice in these old machines. So you can see really clearly what this function does on this machine. On the newer machines have the same function, but you can't see it. So all that I'm doing is tightening this spring up. So right now, it doesn't take much effort to lift this up. Continue to loosen it up, and then it's really not doing much. So not much effort at all. If I go down, tightening it to the right, righty-tighty, you can see it push that spring down, and as I do that, it's putting more pressure on this foot. And all that really means is it's going to be, the presser foot is going to be pressing down more on the fabric as it feeds through, which is actually going to make the machine feed heavier material or slipperier material, I guess, better, because it'll be crunching between here and here. That's how the fabric moves. That said, the more you tighten it, the harder the machine's working, so you don't really want to over-tighten it. So that's actually a little bit tight. I'm going to get it to be about there. Okay. Now, we've got this. We need to put this back together, which is actually a little bit of a pain. So, these are all original parts. What I need to do here. Put that guy in. This is the hook. Is there a hook? Yes, there's a hook. Now. Oh, they call this a hook and racer shuttle, and I'm not sure. Not sure what's what, but I can tell you how it goes together. This guy needs to kind of fidget his way up here. I've got two holes here, and I've got two little nubs on each side. So that guy's going to get up there. I'm kind of being gentle with it, so as not to knock it out. I mean, this will move in place if you're careful. And really, I would recommend putting it and making sure that it's moving, so it's not in there sideways or something. And then while it's easily accessible, I'm going to put a little dab of oil here. And that's going to make that nice and quietly, smoothly. This guy is going to go in here like this, and he's holding the whole thing together. This screw right here, bolt, you can hand tighten that. I don't think I need to make it any tighter than that. That's good. Now that's how it works. Just like that. Now we're going to put our needle plate back on. Drop that guy down. Needle screws. little screwdriver to get to those, but sometimes a long screwdriver is good. You can kind of get up around the housing there. Move my hand. Okay, we got our needle plate on. Now what do we need to do? We're missing this. So I guess we could call the housing casing. This is a simple little thing here. I got a screw hanging out. I'm gonna make sure we get around our take-up lever. Put it through the big part of the hole. Put it down. It doesn't even click in there, I don't think. There's no click. It just sits there. Whoops, there you go. There. We're going to tighten that up. It's not going to go anywhere. Now, we're going to wind a bobbin. Oh no, we don't have a spindle. Let's find a spindle. Pause.